to wash maintain clothes.
Collect soiled linens. Sort the laundry by size and type of fabric. Sort the garments by color and degree of dirt. Turn the garments inside out and check the label while sorting out. Separate the dark from light color. Separate red garments. Separate the garments that need mending. Empty the pockets for loose change or paper bills. Then turn the pants inside out. Close the zipper and hooks. Ball the sweater up and put it in a laundry net to minimize the amount of lint and better protect the delicate knits. Mend the clothes that need mending. Get thread with matching color. And start mending on the wrong side. Check the garments with stains, separate and treat with chemical bleach. Do spot treatment for heavily stained garments. Rinse the pre-treated garments with water. Soak for 15 minutes. How to operate an automatic washing machine. Power button. Start or pause. Water level, program or settings. First check the voltage. And plug the machine. Open the faucet to dispense water for filling the washer tub. Open the washing machine. After 15 minutes of soaking, load the pre-washed clothes. Add the recommended detergent powder. Put fabric conditioner if desired. Press the power button. Select water level. Select the program between heavy, normal, or delicate. Press Start Play button. The clothes will be ready in 32 minutes. Shake out the clothes after you take them out of the wash to remove excess water. Use hangers to hang non-stretchable clothing from the rod. Space out the clothing as much as possible. Thank you for watching.